group totals. How many altogether? We can see we've got one row of fish there, and there's another row of fish. So we've got two rows, and there's 4 in each row. So we say that we have 2 rows of 4. Now how many is that? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 fish altogether. Fill in the blanks. So we have a sentence there with some blanks to fill in. We're talking about groups of 5. We can see that we've got one group of 5 there, 5 pencils in that group, a second group, and a third group. We've got 3 groups, so let's write the 3 down there. So 3 groups of 5 make how many? In other words, we need to count all of them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 groups of 5 make 15. Terrific. Some more blanks to fill in. We've got 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. So let's write 4 there. We've got 4 rows of how many? Now what that means is how many in each of the rows. Let's look at the top row. We can see there are 3 apples there. So we write the 3 there. So at the moment we've got 4 rows of 3 make how many? Again, this is the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's write the 12 there. So 4 rows of 3 make 12. Fantastic. We're asked to complete the number sentence now. 2 groups of 7 equals something. Now to help us out with these, in this activity, we'll have, in this case, some oranges. All right, looks like we've just got the 1 orange there, but we'll keep on dragging till we get 2 groups of 7. So let's concentrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, at the moment that's 1 group of 7. We need 2 groups, so let's start another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got another group of 7. So now we have 2 groups of 7. Now, what does it all equal? What does it all add up to? Well, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 2 groups of 7 equals 14. Right, look at those oranges. They look a bit funny. Let's put the orange